Today, we'll dive into the Kotak League Platinum Credit Card, an offering by Kotak Bank that promises exclusive rewards, cashback, and lifestyle benefits. If you're new to the world of credit cards or just exploring options, this review will guide you through everything you need to know. First, let's discuss the card's major features and benefits. As a Platinum cardholder, you get access to a rewards program where you earn 8x reward points on every 150 rupees spent on select categories like dining and entertainment. Additionally, for every 150 rupees spent elsewhere, you earn 4x reward points. These points can later be redeemed for various offers including vouchers, merchandise, or even cashback. If you're someone who spends frequently in these categories, this could provide significant savings. One of the highlights is the complimentary airport lounge access, which adds a touch of luxury to your travel. You also receive fuel surcharge waivers, which is helpful for frequent travelers. Beyond that, there are various offers on dining, shopping, and entertainment, making it attractive for those who like to enjoy lifestyle benefits. Now, let's talk about costs. The Kotak League Platinum Credit Card comes with an annual fee of 999 rupees, which is waived off if you spend 1 rupee lakh in a year. Interest rates are around 3.5% per month, which is competitive but something to keep in mind if you're carrying a balance. One downside to note is the lack of no-cost EMI offers, which some competing cards offer. Additionally, the reward rate might not be as competitive for categories like groceries or online shopping, compared to other cards in the same segment. In summary, the Kotak League Platinum Credit Card can be a great option if you prioritize dining, entertainment, and travel perks. It might not be the best fit for those looking for more diverse reward categories or no-cost EMI options. If this video helped you understand the card better, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.